PHM Brands is a flour milling company. We carry the brand Panhandle Milling in the industry. We're a management team of decades of experience in flour milling and have been in it for years. We're in Richmond, Utah. We're building a 7,500 hundredweight flour mill. The goals were to try to fit a flour mill on a very small footprint, and so it was very challenging on how we are able to enjoy all the benefits of a modern state-of-the-art flour mill on such a small location. We partnered with Bratney to embark on that big challenge and couldn't have been happier with the outcome.
Panhandle Milling is a customer that Bratney had provided some equipment and project services to in the past, and because of that, they turned to us when it came time to consider partners for this very important project.
This is a great project. We started a couple years ago on paper and concept. And really the big thing for us was we got to work with our partners, Kimbria, OMAS, GSI. So we're able to take all those partners and build one nice plant and provide flour for the customer across the street.
The advantage of this location was its immediate proximity to the end user of the flour. The challenge was we had to develop a system to safely and effectively convey a large quantity of flour on a continual basis across a long stretch of parking lot from our flour mill to this customer. To do that, we developed, along with our partners at OMAS, a unique system of pneumatic conveying that would be able to effectively transfer all of the flour necessary for this bakery in a way that was food safe and dependable.
When we had to go out and find a manufacturer, one thing that really drew us to Bratney was the one-stop shop. They have engineering expertise, they have design expertise, they have millwrights, and they are able to serve several different facets of a complex build like this.
I think for us, that's really the key to the quality because we control the quality. If you have lots of subcontractors or the customer has lots of other partners that aren't involved, you get into a lot of finger pointing. And through the process, quality is just lost to a certain degree. We in-house are able to control that. So our team on the construction side, the equipment, the service technicians, we can control all that in-house. And we take a lot of pride in that.
Bratney has more than exceeded our expectations on this project. I mean, there's challenges with this type of build. There's always going to be challenges, and Bratney has always sat down right beside us, and between the two of us, we're able to figure out all the different hardships that are inherent to a project of this size.